Hey, okay. I'm doing this game again. I don't know, I just kinda like this game. It's just like a huge puzzle. I'm still on the first level. I don't know why it's not that easy for me. Like, I don't really know what I'm doing. But like, I have a slight idea of what I want to do. See, I have a bunch of really good items now. See, I have these 2 keys we can get into certain places. These like cups of molten chocolate, they can kill anyone in 1 hit. And if you don't remember, last time I tried to stay out of my room, and then they caught me. But if you put that in your bed, then they think you're asleep, and you won't get caught, like, not being in your room. I've been trying to collect some files and some screwdrivers, because, see, I unscrewed this vent up here. There's a vent, and I'm trying to make my way out. Or, I don't know if I can get out, but just, like, see what's up there. So, wait, by the way, I did some off-camera grinding. See, I'm really strong now. I can just kill anyone. And I'm really smart, so I can craft anything. One thing I didn't really work on was my speed. And I don't really know what that does. It might just be my walk speed, but I feel like it's some other stuff too, like interaction speed. So yeah, I've just been trying to collect as much screwdrivers and stuff as I can. Okay. Also, you have to remember to always pay attention to what they're saying, because, well, not like everything. Just you have to look for the 2 names, because every day and every night they say to people that they're gonna check their room, see if there's anything bad. So yeah, I can just walk out here. I learned that. Okay, I can't really. Alright, I don't want that. I just need this pillow. This guy named Gil wants a pillow. Chris. Yeah, whatever, I'll just wait. Okay, so I have to distract breakfast and beat up Officer Jamal. I started accepting the quest where I have to beat up people because I have the highest strength in the whole game. Well, I mean the whole, like, out of everyone. So, just raising the volume a little bit. The game. Okay. You don't really have to do this. I learned what this does. Last time I didn't know what this does. It just regenerates your fatigue, or gets rid of your fatigue. I did not mean to do that. I didn't mean to steal a seat. Oh, okay, I'm full of spaders. Okay, I'm gonna distract breakfast, and look, I just finished 2 quests, which is cool. He's gonna be chasing me for a while, but it's okay because lunch is done and I can just run away. If you juke them a few times, they just like forget about you. So look, get around the corner. Yep, look, he already forgot. Nice. Oh, I forgot to give Gil his pillow. Gil, oh, that's Gil. Okay. Alright. Also, if you talk to these guards, if you talk to them enough, like last time I remember saying that talking to them doesn't do anything, but if you talk to the guards, maybe even the prisoners too, I'm not sure, but if you talk to them enough, their opinion actually does go up a little bit. Most of their opinions are pretty down on me because I've been beating them up for money. I don't know, Jamal thinks I'm cool. Not for long because I have to beat him up for a quest, but... Okay, there's mints. I'll take this too. I'm gonna give... This is what I've been trying to do, Chris. Chris is this old man, and I've been doing some research, and that's how I like found out how to do everything. I found out that if someone's opinion of you is 80 or higher, you can they can become like a teammate with you, and they can help you fight people. So it's kind of cool. What's his opinion on me? 69. Darn it! I'm gonna give him a baton at $30 or $20. I don't know. How is he not like praising me? Okay, whatever. Also, before, if I would ever get 99 heat, I'd get sniped and I would just immediately die. But since I'm really strong now, I have like 40 health and I can actually get shot a few times before dying. And also I have medkits and stuff, so I can just like heal. I have these 2 keys. See, there's like different locks. and I can get into like certain places, but you have to be careful because if you're not wearing these guard clothes, then it might like set off an alarm or something, like for certain places. So yeah, I'm just gonna loot some people's rooms. Okay, that's lunch. I'm just gonna loot this guy's room. Maybe one more. Okay, there's nothing good. I'm just looking for files and screwdrivers. There might have been. Wait, I wonder if this guy. Is that Chris? Okay, it's Aiden. Nope. What's this? Is that Floss? Okay, I've never seen that. Floss. You know, I'm already late and they're gonna yell at me, so I might as well just work out. Goes Aiden. Please don't come. Fuck. I know. He's gonna come in here too. I hate both of you. Okay, I'm gonna put some stuff. I'm just gonna put away my stuff before I get sniped. I already know what's gonna happen. Oh, never mind. It's. Oh wait, no. Look. I got 99 heat. I think I'm just gonna. Yeah. I also. Nope. Okay. Yep. Okay. Nice. I know it's not really a big deal if I die, but see, I lose some stats. Like, look, I'm already at 77. I lose some stats whenever I die, and I shouldn't just be going around willy-nilly with my stats, you know? I think I might upgrade my strength just a little bit more, so I don't just go ending up, like, just losing all of it, you know? Yeah, I learned a bunch of new stuff just by reading the wiki. Just like stuff I didn't really understand, or like stuff I want to get. No, I just looked at the wiki. The wiki's pretty useful. You just have to read pretty carefully, because if you read the wrong thing, then you might be reading something for the sequel, or like for the wrong game, or you know, something you can't do, you know. So you just have to be careful. That's my strength at. Also, whenever you work out, you get more health. It's temporary though, so whenever you lose it, it's not gonna come back. Oh, whoa. These guys are fighting. This guy's selling. Nothing. Nothing good. Do I have any quests? Nope. I need to get some quests. Take the razor blade. It's not that good, I'm just gonna give it to Chris. Okay, I'm too fatigued. If you eat food, I learned that if you eat food, your fatigue goes down. I'll give it to this guy, who cares? 75, okay. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. I'm just gonna take some random trash and just give it to some people. Joseph. What's his opinion? 61. No, I'm just gonna find someone higher. Because I want to see if this actually works. This. Okay, he doesn't like me. Well. Okay. Alright, sorry for the cut. Yeah, I know. Just had to do something. I know. Okay, which one of these is my friend? I'm dead. Why am I getting shot? Okay, Ricky likes me. Okay, also Ricky's dead, so let's loot him. Okay, he doesn't have anything good. Okay, that's fun. Lost my baton. It's okay. I don't need the baton. Also lost some of my stats. It's not that bad, actually. Okay, where's Ricky? It's literally eating me right now. Ricky, please, just help me. Ricky. Okay, 87. Thank you. Okay, it works. It works. Look, he's following me. Cell key. I don't need that. Okay, I don't need him anymore. Okay, that's cool. What the? Why? It's because I beat up the copper. Okay, actually, Ricky, I need you. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Staff key. Ricky, what you selling? Okay. I think... Oh, I have a new thing, a new bar. Oh, Ricky's dead. Sucks. What? Okay. Alright, I've got this. Okay, I got my baton. I'm gonna... Yeah, I'm just gonna... No. Alright. I'm gonna... Oh, I forgot to get the rest of them, actually. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. That's good. It's not the best. Okay. Okay, there. I'm gonna use my file on this. I don't know. So the screwdrivers are just better files. They just do the job quicker. But that's I don't know that. Whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna cut these slats. They're just like bar cells, I guess. It's like bars. That's all. I've gotten past here before, but I ended up having a bad day. I lost all my stuff and everything, so I ended up just restarting the day. You can restart the day just by clicking that at the bottom. Okay. I'm sorry. Paul, can you like... Whatever. Okay. So, observe. I go in my cell. Put this in here. Get this dummy. Put the dummy in the bed. Go over here. Take that out. Go up. Put the cover back on. And now I'm free. I think. I'm just gonna save the good stuff for later. I'm gonna use files and stuff for now. Okay, I just wrote the file. It's okay. It's almost open. Okay, so this, I don't really know where this goes. It says ladder. The ladder goes up. I don't know where. Like, where up, you know. I don't really get it. But, okay, I'm kind of scared to see if I'm gonna get, like, shot or something. There's nothing up here. I don't think. Oh, prisoner stash. Oh, okay, I got a cell key. So those open up the cells. I'm not really sure why I need that. That's still kind of cool, guess. Boxes. There's nothing really up here. Dang. Wait, is that another... Oh. Tightrope. Tightrope. Oh, another stash. Flimsy cutters. I don't know. I guess I can use those to like break stuff open. But okay. That's where I came from, I'm pretty sure. Okay, you know, I think I'm just gonna end it here. I think I got pretty far. It's pretty good, you know? So, bye.